Yes. So what we were discussing, we were solving couple of questions from circles, right? Yes. Let me share the screen. Shadab, how was your exam?
Sir, which exam? The
Math,
weekend?
math exam.
Yes, sir, for math. Are we talking about the weekend exam or my school exam?
Your school exam.
It was really good, sir. I'm expecting very high marks.
You're expecting?
Expecting very high marks.
Very good.
It was quite easy.
Okay. See, we'll solve the question. Look at, let me get the question. So this is the center. O. All right. So this is what the figure O. O is the center of a circle. AB is what here called. He has given AB, and 80 is the tangent. Look at it. 80 is nothing but what? Tangent. So 80 is a tangent. Now, if triangle, so angle AOB is equal to 100 degrees, then what is this? B. Make it fast. Tell me the options. What is the option A? 40. Option B? 50. 60. 70. I think this question I have given the last question, last class. Similar type of question. What is the answer? Make it fast.
Sir, is it B 50 degrees?
Yes, it's a 50 is the right answer. Look at this here how AOB
Sir, since both of them are radii,
100.
then they should be equal, right? So each should be 40 degrees. And we know that a 90-degree angle is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 40 is 50 because the tangent to a point on the circle and the radius that connects the tangent to the center is 90 degrees.
Yes. So we have to find out B, this angle, right? So this will be what? This will be 90 degrees. And in that already, look at this here, 110 degree I have. So we know
Sir,
that.
it's 100 degrees.
Sorry.
It's 100, not 110.
Yes, yes, my bad. It is 110, 100 given. But it's 100. Now here, can I say this angle and this angle both will be equal? Yes or no? Now angle 1 plus angle sec, or else look at this. All angles have here. Can I say this is x, this is also x? Yes or no? So 2 times of x, sum of all angles, right, like this, x plus 100 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 100. So 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 means what will be? This part will be green color part. Look at this. This what will be 90. So in that 90, I just have 40. Remaining is what? 50. 90 minus 40. very simple. Next question. Next question. In the figure given PA and PP are tangents to the circle. Okay. Look at the question. Let me cover that. PA the tangents to circle at center O and APB is equal to 60 degrees. Look at this. Now let me just this is what the figure given. A B this is an angle given. And look at this. APB is equal to 60 degrees given. Then OAB is what? What is this? What is OAB? Make it fast.
Sir, are AP and PB tangents?
Yes.
Okay.
Tangent only, no? Look at this. Touching the circle at one point. Yes.
Yes, sir. I was asking because the diagram, it
No.
looks like it would be a secant.
No. Make it fast. Frame this triangle, APB triangle. In that, this will be 60. This will be equilateral triangle here. Not equilateral triangle. This one and this one will be equal as per the my. You know why? Because why it is equal? Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, because the length of tangents are equal.
Because of the length of the tangents are equal, angle, whatever you say here, x, and this also x. Or you say here y. Here x plus y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We know that x is equal to y here. So x plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times of
OAB 30 degrees.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good.
Sir, I too got 30 degrees.
Very good, Diksha. X is equal to almost 60 degrees. X is equal to what? 60 degrees I got. Now what is asking for? Is asking for OAB, this angle. So this is a 90, right? Yes or no? So angle here x. Now let me say this is z. X plus z is equal to almost 90 degrees. X value 60 I got. Z value how much? I need to find out. 90 minus 60. Z is equal to 30. What is Z here? Z value is what here? A, not A, OAB. OAB, I took it as Z. Now Z is equal to 30 degrees. Yes or no? Any doubts? Any doubts? Next question. Next question. Shall we go for the next one? Hello? Shall we go
Yes,
for the
sir.
next question? Next question. This is the circle given, and O is the center, of course. PQ is the chord and PT is the tangent. Here PQ is the chord. Let's say P point is here. This is Q here, P here. PQ is the chord and PT is the tangent. PT is what, like this. This is my tangent. Let's say point T I have here. PT is the tangent. And POQ. POQ given that. Okay, once. POQ given that how much? 70 degrees. It is 70 degrees given. Okay. And is asking for what? TPQ. TPQ is what? TPQ is what? Make it fast. Make it fast. What is the answer? Angle TPQ is equal to what? What is the answer? This one will be equal to this one. Yes or no? Let's say this is my x, this is my y. So here x is equal to y. Yes or no? Why? Tell me. If I draw a tangent here, that y angle and x angle will be equal. So from the triangle, can I say x plus y plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees? X plus y is equal to what here? X only plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times of x gives me what? 110 degrees. X gives me what? 55 degrees. So then y is also will be 55 degrees.
Sir, is the answer 35 degrees?
Yes. So TPQ, very simple concept, similar concept, very good. So 55 I got. What is asking for? TPQ is asking for this one. This will be 90 of course, because this will be 90. This will be 90 or not, guys? Diagram is not proper. Concept you should know. Yeah, 90 hoga na. So in that 90 I have 55 here. Sorry, 55 I have. So 90 minus 55 I just have 35 degrees is the right answer. Therefore T. Any doubts? Any doubts? Next question. Shall we go for the next one? Hello. Guys, shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, are you able to understand Himanshu? Himanshu.
Yes, a little bit, sir. I just joined, sir. Actually, today was my exam, sir, in school. That's why I was preparing for that. And sir, tomorrow is also. That's why, sir. I joined late.
Okay. Pratibha.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Yogesh.
Sir, aren't you checking the chat?
No, actually, I'm not checking regularly. Yes, I'm checking. Now I checked. You posted your answer. Very good. But try to talk in the class. Try to express yourself.
Sir, I have mic issues, so
Not an issue. I can hear you properly now. You can just this voice is enough for me. Not an issue.
okay, sir.
You can talk like this. I can hear your voice clearly. Actually, I don't have any kind of disturbance. All right. Yes. Pratibha, Pratyusha, I never get a response from you. Don't know why. Tanvi, you also. Let me tell you, Tushar nowadays not responding. Tanvi, I never get a response. Yogesh, he responds. Pratyusha, Pratibha, I never get a response. Shada will respond. Himanshu, though doesn't respond. Diksha nowadays responding very well. Akil never responds. Amrita not responding. So this is what update from my side. I need everyone to be responded in the class. Everyone should respond, whether it is right or wrong, irrespective of your answer, irrespective of your status of the answer. You must respond in the class. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. I'm just drawing the question and reading the question. Look at this here. A chord of a circle is 10 centimeter. A circle given. Let me draw the circle and explain the question. This is a circle here. So chord of the circle given. Chord of the circle. Chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. So acha. So देखो radius 10 centimeter given. Then so chord can be what? This can be a chord now. And okay, this is a radius, right? This is 10 given. If it is 10, this is also going to be 10. Yes or no? And this will be of course 90 degrees. Of course 90 degrees. This is point A and point B. All right. So this is center O. I hope it is clear with everyone. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out AB here. What is the AB length? Find the chord of the length. Length of the chord. We have to find out chord length. Make it fast. What I can use here? Right angle triangle. This is a right angle Pythagoras theorem. I can use very simple. Array, very simple, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square, which means 10 square. Sides adjacent square. I mean like base square plus height square. So AB is equal to what? 200 square root. Yes or no? 200 square root, or else you simply write if you don't understand. So 2 times of 10 square. AB square. AB is equal to what? Square root of 2 times of 10 square. Square root will be getting cancelled. Or else first you split like this. Root 2 into 10. Or 10 root 2. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
10 root 2 centimeters. Understood? Very simple. Any doubts? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. Next. Girls. Are you able to understand girls? Girls.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Girls. Amrita ji, Diksha, Pratibha, Pratyusha. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
Hel Hello?
sir.
Pratyusha. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Then are you getting the answer actually? Are you getting the answer?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Now can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Signal issue from my side. Okay. Next question. You can let me write the question. PQ is a tangent at a point called C. To a circle. Himanshu, what's the problem with you? I mean, why you're leaving the meeting? Is there any problem? Himanshu? 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 30 degrees. Then find angle PCA is equal to what? Make it fast. PQ is a tangent at a point C to a circle with a center O. If AB is the diameter and CAB is 30 degrees, then PCA is what? Make a diagram. Here PQ is a tangent. देखो कुछ भी tangent लेती है. PQ is a tangent at point C. This is a point. O circle with the center O. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter, nothing but what? Look at this. This is my diameter. This center. Let's see. This is B. Okay. And CAB given. CAB. So this. CAB is equal to what? 30 degrees, which means this is 30 degrees. Okay, so PCA you have to find out. This angle you need to find out. Let me take it as X. All right. And guys, tell me, what is B value here? Arey yaar, this is very simple. You can say the answer directly. 60 is the answer. Yes or no, guys? Look at this is 90 degrees, right? Full 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, that's 90 degrees.
It is 90 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees here. So this is 90 degrees given. Not given. We know that. If it is 90, 30, 120, this will be how much? How much? Tell me. B value how much? Array 120, 180 minus 120. 60 na? Yes or no? B is a 60 degrees or not? Guys, are you able to understand here? Angle A
Yes,
plus
sir.
angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A मुझे दिया है. B we have to find out. मुझे सी पता है 90 डिग्री, तो एंगल बी कितना होगा? 60 तो होगा। 90 प्लस 30 120 120 180 minus 120।
180 minus 130,
हाँ,
that's 60.
if it is 60, हाँ, now here what is x value? If b is 60, x is also going to be 60 degrees. Why x is equal to 60 degrees? Tell me what is the reason?
Sir, because they are alternate angles.
Look at this. If you extend this, alternate angles,
Sir, for that, they have to be parallel, right?
for that they have to be parallel. Here that is not the case here. What is the alternate segment here? This is a one segment, this is a one segment. Angle in the alternate segments also equal. All right. Angle in the alternate segment also equal. So let me write PCB is equal to, or PCA, not PCB, PCB, not PCA. PCA will be equal to CBA, which means C is equal to B here. Yes or no? C is equal to B. Now look at this here. If C is equal to B means, देखो C is what? C is equal to what now? 60, no? Now 60, if C is 60, X will be also 60. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Guys, one line is, if your transversal is positive, so this line and this angle will be equal. Alternate angles. Yes or no? Guys, are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
If you extend, one second. If you extend this like this, here angle B will be equal to angle C. Alternate segment angles, alternate angles. Then X is equal to angle C here. Angle C is 60. The next, why can't it be 60, man? Very simple. Next question. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts, sir.
Okay. Next question. Very good question. Here given that AB and AC, he has given the figure like this. One second, guys. One second. Please be in line. Can you hear me now? Here,
Hello, sir.
here AB. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, here he has given the tangents. Guys, am I recording?
Yes, sir.
And this is center. Okay, so here this is center O. This is 40 degrees. Now I know that here AB and AC are what? Tangents. Tangents. Tangents to the circle. Center O such that BAC is equal to 40. Then BOC available. How much? Clearly, look at this one. How much? This one. B angle is what here? 90. Angle C is what? 90. Yes or no? B is 90. C is also 90 here. Now find it out. Find it out. Guys, if you think, look at this here. This is my quadrilateral now. आ रहा है समझ में आपको? देखो ये है ना मेरा this is my quadrilateral. ABOC is a quadrilateral. So from this, angle A plus angle B plus O plus angle C is equal to 360 degrees, sum of all integer angles. Then I need to find out BOC how much. A value 40, B value 90, perpendicular. O I need to find out. C 90. Isn't it easy, guys? So 180, 220. How much? 140. Yes or no? Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Very simple. Next question. Basically, you're solving more questions on this one. Tangents. Next question. The figure he has given. Let me write the figure alone, guys. Let me draw the figure alone. Questions are very big. He has given this one. Here, point called H I have. It is making a tangent. This is E. This is G. This is F. And this is point H. This is our tangent point M. This is also a tangent at a point K. Okay. So the question is, in the given figure, circle touches the DF at H. Circle touches the side DF of AED. Sorry, EDF. So DF is a tangent at a point called H and touches EF at point K and M respectively, given that EK is what? EK. This EK is the red, this length. This given 9 centimeters. EK is equal 9 centimeters given. Perimeter of A, perimeter of not A, sorry, EDF is how much? What is the perimeter of this one? अरे कॉमन सेंस देखो, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगाओ भाई यार. EF is 9 given, EK is given 9, EK is given 9. What is perimeter of triangle? EDF. Perimeter is nothing but what here? ED plus DF plus EF. This is what I have to find out here. Tell me. Make it work. Make it fast. Done. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
So how can I approach? Tell me. How your approach supposed to be here? Last 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay. Here, guys, what happened? Here देखो E के 9 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, तो EM क्या होगा? दोनों बराबर होगा ना. Length of the tangents drawn from the external point to the circle will be always equal. ये तो पढ़ा था हमने. Yes sir, no guys. अरे यार, we have learned this. Length of the tangents which are drawn from the external point to the circle, which is will be equal. So EK is 9 है, तो EM क्या होगा? दोनों 9 होगा. Yes sir, no. Yes or no? And I know that here मुझे पता है DH is equal to DH. देखो DH दोनों बराबर लेंथ होगा ना. DH is equal to HF और FH. And or else you say that मुझे पता है here DK will be equal to what? DK will be equal to what?
Sir, FM.
Huh? dk will be equal to what?
Sir,
Now
FM.
because dh, can I write dk is equal to dh and f h is equal to fm? We have learned this one as well. देखो ये मुझे क्या है, dh is equal to hf, dh is equal to hf. Now here I know that we know that ed plus dk कितना है 9 सेंटीमीटर. All right, so dk is equal to what? dh plus ed is equal to what? This is what I know. No need not to substitute. Let it be as it is. I know this one. I know this one now. So EF plus FM is also 9 centimeter. And EF, FM, I know what? FH. Yes sir, no. I need triangle, perimeter of triangle. What are the things I need here? ED plus DF plus EF is equal to how much? I need to substitute ED value I need, FV value I need, DF value I need. For finding DF value, what I need to find out? This is what I got. This is what the info I got. What is asking us to find? Perimeter of the triangle, what? EDF. Yes or no? Now here I can write, look at here, ED as it is. आपको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो छोड़ो इसको, तो छोड़ो, ठीक है. ED as it is. DF is equal to what here? DF is equal to DH plus HF plus EF. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Now देखो ED plus DK, ED plus DK, DK किसके बराबर था? DK किसके बराबर था? DH के बराबर. DH can be written as DK plus ED plus HF. HF किसके बराबर था? EMF के बराबर. Okay. Wherever I'm circling, guys, you just focus much on that. You need to be attentive there. Okay, here. EF as it is, let me write. Now, ED plus DK कितना है? 9 centimeters. EMF plus EF is how much? 9 centimeters. Total 18 centimeters is my answer. Which means what you understood now? Perimeter of the triangle is what? 2 times of perimeter triangle EDF is equal to twice of EK. Twice of EK. Understood? Which is nothing but 18. 2 into 9. This is what the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Yes, Yogesh, now you understood Yogesh now. Look at this here. So here DF here DH is equal to DK. ये हमने थ्योरम में पढ़ा था. ये D के बराबर किसके बराबर होता है? DH के बराबर. एंड FH किसके बराबर होता है? FM के बराबर होता है. नाउ गाइस हियर DF है ना, DF क्या होता है? DH प्लस HF. ठीक है, ये DH है ना, ये आधा पार्ट, दिस हाफ पार्ट इज द राइट, दिस हाफ पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू दिस हाफ पार्ट. आ रहा है समझ? This HF will be there. This half part will be equal to this FM. This is what I wanted to say. Yogesh, clear? Clear? I think my battery is about to
Yes,
die.
sir.
Okay, children. So yes, Yogesh, not an issue. Okay, I'll share these notes. Please go through that if you have any doubts. We'll continue in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.